We all know that it takes money to make money, but in many cases, this is not the case. Because you can actually start to make money for absolutely free without any initial investment and by only using the resources that you already have. I know that sounds pretty amazing, but well, it gets much better. You can even start to make money for free by doing absolutely nothing. This is called passive income. If that sounds good, well, it should be, because this is an amazing money-making method that can earn you up to $1,000, and it is as easy as this. You can go to a website, sign up, and then activate an app that I will show you in this video. Guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can start to earn with this income stream right now. Literally anyone can use this method, but you have to pay close attention to each step that I'm going to show you in this video, because if you miss some steps, you might actually end up wasting your time and not make any money at all. So make sure to pay attention to each and every second of this video, because I will drop some hidden tips and tricks that you can use with this method to maybe double or even triple your online income. But before we start, guys, in this channel, I look around the internet and find ways for you to make money online, and I simply share them with you in this channel. So if you're all about making money online, then make sure to like this video, subscribe and activate notifications to never miss out on any future uploads. And also, if you have any questions, concerns, or anything you want to say, make sure to leave a comment down below. Now let us get started. Now guys, take a look at this. These are the payment proofs that other people have been able to get from this website. I know it's amazing, right? Now the first thing you want to do is head over to this website right here by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in digital works. On this website, you can get high quality PLR products that you can feel good about selling to your customers. So you might be asking, what is a PLR? Well, a PLR means private label rights. These products can actually be downloaded and sold on other platforms without having to spend a dime. You can put your name on them and sell them under your brand and keep all the money. Now over here, we have a few examples of products that are already available for free. They have ebooks, softwares, videos, templates, graphics, music, and you can get access to hundreds of them for free. No obligations, no contracts, and 100% free and risk-free. Now under the ebook section of their products, there are many available ebooks for you to download and use. And if you read these book titles, these are amazing books that people are actually going to want to read. And by the way, this can be downloaded on any device. All you have to do is register and you can get access to hundreds of these products. Now for InDigital Works, they actually have several different plan offers that cover 3 months of usage, 1 year of usage, and a lifetime use. You can check these plans at their respective price range, but you actually don't have to use any of these plans at all. You can actually use their free membership plan for free, and that simply gets you access to 200 products. To get this, all you need to do is click on register, and this is the membership registration page. Now when you fill up this form, make sure that the membership type you're signing up for is the free one. This is so you don't have to pay anything while having access to their products. Now for the rest of the form, you can just simply fill up the information required, and once you fill up the entire form, you can just click on I'm not a robot and hit next. Now you're going to want to click on free products button right here. You can check out all the available products by clicking on these links, and I'm going to go with this free ebook product. Now I hope you guys are still with me, because I'm about to show you how you can download these products from this website and use it on another website to earn passive income. If you are still watching, guys, let me know in the comments down below and comment, we love money. Now back to the video. Let's say I want to download this ebook right here. I'm going to click on the book title like this, and it's going to take me to this download page right here. So this page also gives a short summary of the content in the book, also the file size and the product's name. They even give you a preview of the book that you can read before you hit the download. As you can see, this is a legit ebook and it looks professionally made. To download the product, all you have to do is click on the download button right here, and the ebook is going to start downloading right into your device. And it is that easy and also completely free. Once your product is downloaded, you're going to want to head over to the second website. But before we continue, guys, I would like to tell you that we have other videos on this channel about making money online, so if you guys are interested in making money online, then make sure to leave a big thumbs up and also subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. I put a lot of effort on each video, so any kind of support, guys, is really appreciated. Now let us get back to the video. So the website we're gonna be using is called Up Forever. On this website you can upload and share files and images, and they will pay you for sharing those files. So basically what happens is Up Forever will pay you for each 1,000 downloads of your file. And the rates that you're going to earn per 1,000 downloads is actually going to depend on where those downloads are coming from. But you can actually earn anywhere from $3 to $7 for basically doing nothing. This is pure passive income. And as you can see on this chart, downloads from other countries under different tiers. And I'm going to give you different earning prices. The ones that will get you the highest earnings are the downloads from tier 1 countries, which are the United States, Canada, and a couple more. So you should make sure that your files can attract users from those countries. Up Forever is also available on Google Play Store, so you can have this cloud storage on other devices as well. This makes it a very convenient cloud storage that you can actually very easily access. Simply click on the sign up button on the page banner right here, and it is going to bring you to this user registration page. All you need to do now is simply fill up each box with the required information, choose whatever payment method you prefer, hit the recapture button, and then hit sign up, and once you're done with that, your account should look something like this. Right now, the account's balance is 0, which is of course how everyone starts. But don't worry guys, as soon as you've uploaded your files and those downloads start rolling, your account's balance will also start to grow. But before that happens, you will need to first upload a file. So to upload a file, you're going to want to click on this button right here and then click on Upload File. Before you upload a file, you're going to want to read the warnings that the website gives you. If you don't follow these warnings, you can actually get banned from this platform and you won't be able to earn passive income from it. Now don't worry, there are only 2 things you need to do. The first one is that you're not allowed to upload any prohibited files. Second is to disable the ads. Disabling ad block will allow other people to download your file. So make sure that you do that right now. So right here is where you can upload your file. This is where the ebook that we downloaded earlier comes in. It's very easy. Click on the choose file button right here, select that ebook that we downloaded earlier, and once you've selected that, you can go ahead and click on the start upload. This won't take long at all guys, because it's actually pretty fast. And now we need to go ahead and head back to our accounts on the dashboard. You're going to want to click on My Files, and once you click on that, it will show you all the files that you've uploaded on this platform. And this is where you can actually edit your file's name. That is so you can make it more descriptive and appealing to downloaders. Just click on the pencil button right here, and then you can easily edit the file name, and also add a description to the file. So here's a helpful tip that you can do. Make sure to insert the word ebook at the very end of the file name so that people will know that it's an actual ebook. Now for the description, you can just go ahead and copy and paste the product's description that are available on InDigital Works, and then set the price at 0. Having the price at 0 will let users know that they can actually get this for free, and that is going to get you more downloads. So make sure you do that, and now click on Public. And once you're satisfied, you can go ahead and hit submit, and that is pretty much it. You can just repeat the process as much as you want so that you can upload more products and start earning more passive income. And that is pretty much it for today. Guys, if you like this video, make sure to leave a big thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. Guys, if you have any questions or concerns, make sure to leave a comment down below. Also, go watch our previous videos. You can actually learn a lot from this channel, so make sure you subscribe. Most of the methods I share here are absolutely free, so with that said guys, I will see you tomorrow with another money making method. Take care guys.